We wrapped it up with a bunch of wrapping, but
it still looks like
you can tell it's kind of bobo.
So, oh, it's back here.
Yeah, there's a big bulge in there. That's a Monster Energy drink. I don't know if you can see it in the hose clamps. There's a 50-foot roll of lava wrap around it.
So, Monster Energy drink to fix charge piping.
Wow.
That's a good. Yeah, there you go.
See, that kind of works.
That's a tech tip.
Yeah, well, that was from Garrett.
I'm gonna check back and see how it did for you.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely.
You gotta mention something here.
Hey, listen, we're a long ways from home.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So to drive all this way and get screwed, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, we still went a 70 friggin',
yeah.
It wasn't bad. And that was fastest mile an hour for us.
Oh, hell yeah.
So that was
maybe you should take it back off then.
Yeah, maybe.
So it looks like it worked, huh? Your monster can.
No, it blew out.
Oh, did it?
So I cut a VP can. Yeah, it blew a hole, blew it out again. So I took a hammer and smashed out a VP fuel can. Cut a big slice out of that and wrapped it again. So, but it did 60 foot that time.
Yeah.
You know, so
that was a pretty decent.
We got a nasty hop out of the hole, so we can make a shock adjustment, and we're just happy to be going. So. I don't know how it works. I don't know if we're going to draw numbers this time, or if I think I was fastest, so I might get a buy.
Yeah.
Be a lucky deal. We'll see.
That'd be nice, right?
Yeah, no, it'd be. Well, it was a little intimidating to see a pro street diesel truck come out, and I was kind of a little worried that he was, we know what it's got. It wasn't going to be any competition for something 7 seconds, no matter how good. And for whatever reason, this tree is messing me all up today.
Really?
Yeah. I'm used to a little different. And it's nice to know that a couple of my other guys here, they're doing not so good on the tree either. So.
Right.
But yeah.
Man, well,
so far we're still holding together.
I'm really interested to see what happens next to this saga of soda cans.
Yeah. Well, if it comes apart now, we're done.
Yeah.
Right? Because at least that BP Q16 can we cut. Just smashed a hole and they cut a big strip out of it, and they wrap in. There's probably a 50-foot roll of wrap on there, just trying to hold it together. And this is the kid who does my fabrication work. His name is Chris Barker, out of Rural Hall, and he's going to weld the new bellow in it. Because we got to go to Detroit in a couple weeks. So it'll be interesting.
Fix it, get on the road again, right?
Yeah. Well, it'll go from here tonight. I think he's going to take the trailer and the Jeep back to his shop, and I'll pick it up. I'm on vacation down Holden Beach.
Right.
So on my way home, I'll swing through Rural Hall and pick it up. It's nice to finally come out here and race something other than another Jeep or Mopar or whatever, Hellcats.